Hi, it's Aqua with WTI, and this is an amazing crafting tool. This is the Mini MISTI Stamping Positioner. The neat thing about this tool that you don't get a perfect impression every time. You just stamp again. You ink it up your stamp, press, and there you go. A perfect time every time. No more mess ups, no more throwing away things because you messed up. Every time you'll be able a chance to redo it, to re-ink your stamp. Simply lay down your stamp, close the door, it will pick up the stamp, ink the stamp, press it down. And if you don't like your impression, you do it again. It will hold the position, so every time it will match your previous stamping. One of the key features is that strong magnet. It really helps to keep your paper in place, so that enables that every time that door is closed, the paper is not moving. This is great for layering stamps as well. You can easily line up your stamps and get them just perfect in just the right spot. They won't move. They're going to ink exactly where they need to be. Simply press it down again and just beautiful turnout every time. And if you don't like it, re-ink again and make sure that you like the impression it gives. I wish I would have gotten this sooner. It has just changed the way I do stamping. So impressed. I love it, and I hope you do too, and that's my point of view.